ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to answer questions, provide information, and even hold conversations with users in a way that's natural and human-like. ChatGPT is built on a powerful neural network architecture called a transformer, which allows it to understand complex relationships between words and phrases. This means it can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data from the internet, which means it has a vast amount of knowledge at its disposal. It can answer questions on a wide range of topics, from science and technology to history and current events. If you want to try ChatGPT out for yourself, there are several ways to do it. You can visit the OpenAI website to interact with the model directly, or you can use one of the many chatbot applications that have integrated with ChatGPT. Give it a try and see what kind of conversations you can have. So there you have it, ChatGPT in 60 seconds.